Welcome to the installation guide for Field Icons add-on. In this video, I will show you how to install field icons to enhance up your Gravity forms with icons. First, log in into your WordPress website, go to the plugin section and click on Add New. Search for Gravity Booster and click Install. Once installed, activate the plugin. Now to add icons to your forms, you will need the Field Icons add-on. Purchase and download it from your WP Monks account. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and then upload the add-on zip file. After installation, activate it. Don't forget to add your license key for updates and support. Copy your key from your WP Monks account. Then go to Booster Settings and click on Licenses. Paste your key and click on Activate License.